Here's the remaining bits of my past. Feeling a little overwhelmed with a lot of emotions. It's time to let go though. No, es el comienzo de nuestros viajes.
¡Oh, oui, oui!
¿Qué te pasa,
Oh,
calabaza?
Ok.
Ya tenemos a todo el grupito. Curtis, Lana.
¿Dónde está Lana? Ah, ok.
Mi mami.
Yo también.
Whoop, whoop.
Traje mis zapatos de agua.
Come on. Ya se te metió agua en la oreja, ¿verdad? ¡Holis! ¿Qué pasa?
Te fuiste por allá, yo por acá.
¡Oli! We're out here at the Capitan Lookout. Baby made it all right all the way over here. Look at that. Cute. It's a little dark. We are at a rest area in Guadalupe Mountains National Park. We were not able to find a campsite, but it's all good. Look at that. Mama and Curtis boy. Trying to have him chill out, but it's not working. Bueno, pues no se nos hizo las cuevas, pero no hay pedo porque ya me fastidié. Duré como 1 hora y media en la línea, pero por algo nos estamos desviando, ¿no?
Pues sí.
It's a fucking workout. A ver, enséñalo otra vez.
No, no es una tanga, va a ser un paño. Un paño para la cabeza.
¡Wow! ¡Qué hermoso! Puppies! Oh, so cute! We found our camp spot. Curtis is ready to go. Look at him. Damn, it lit up right away. Did it? Yeah.
Nice.
Para que también tengamos suficiente para cargarlo.
Se están quemando los bombones, ¿ok? ¡Uy, qué rico! Ay, a ver si me gusta. Porque está todo quemado. ¿Y sabe bueno?
¿Sí?
Te doy uno para ti.
Sí, por favor.
Damn, dude. I didn't know you guys like flaming marshmallows.
Can you tell we haven't done this a whole lot? Cheers.
I really wish I had a longer lens because look at that little bird, look how cute it is. Some eggs and Mom's homemade jelly. Here's the chef. Thank you, chef. And Curtis is sunbathing over there. Look at him. Look at that. This fire pit needs some TLC. I'm gonna make it look cuter. So that way the next person that stops by has a better looking fire pit than this one. Yay! It looks much cuter now. We thought we were gonna go to this place called Salt River where we could see wild mustangs, but unfortunately we couldn't find any dispersed camping nearby, and then we lost signal for the most part, and then when we finally got signal it was already getting dark, so we just decided to come to this spot. It's a really nice spot. Let me take you around. That's all the way over there. This place is huge. I swear we've been getting like the best sunsets. But yeah, I'm excited. Look at that. A whole family of them. He's terrified of horses. No, no, no. Be sweet. No, no. Okay, so quick little fact, like this one's telling his buddy, hey, there's a fucking chick all the way over here. Are they gonna fight? Oh shit, I thought they were gonna fight. So quick little fact, when you see a pack of these horses, there's only one boy in the pack, and that guy is in charge of taking care of the girls. And there's one girl leader. She guides the whole pack. And then if they do birth any boys, the boys stay there till they're about 2 years old. And they gotta fucking go and find their own packs. Alright, that's as close as I'm gonna get. I wanna give them their space. But I'm pretty sure that that's a boy and a girl. I think that boy just started his own little pack. And that's their baby. It's so cute. Look how fast these fucking clouds are going. Wowzers. to Petrified Forest National Park. Curtis is over here. Mama's over there. This piece of petrified wood. Fucking wild. Come here. Come. Good boy. Oh no, it went away. I pushed my luck. Excuse the cuticles, but look how cute. This little ladybug's just chilling. Come on. Hey, come here. Oh! Are you okay? Curtis, be careful, honey. What was that?